Actually, I finished loading up, but it is 3:36 in the morning, so I'm about to get like 3 hours of sleep. Something kind of dookie, but good morning, you guys. So I should head out. It's already 7 o'clock, so yep, let's get this journey started, man. Fuck, holy shit, I'm gonna be crazy. Oh, fuck. Damn walk, man. Oh, god damn. Oh, man. Longest drive, man. Like, oh shit. I can edit that out, Jay. Doesn't have to be in it. You guys, we just got to the hotel and just kind of checked in our rooms. It's already like midnight, pretty much. Longest drive, dude. Like, fuck, I don't think I ever been on a car so long in the day, so pretty long as day, but we are more than halfway through, and then tomorrow we have some drive to get to Colorado. You'll see Pikes Peak there, dude.
Yeah, there. High octane barbecue.
Dispensary.
And dispensary.
Damn, not much left until we get to the house, but man, long ass drive. Fucking beautiful though.
What's up, my Pduh fans?
Oh,
Pduh in the house, you know. We are at tech inspection at the World Arena, Broadmoor.
Thanks, Jay. How far? I was not sure if you want to keep going, you know. I'm like, oh shit. Fucking present Pduh, man. Kind of getting nervous about tomorrow because it's gonna be fucking cold up there, dude. inspection. The only thing, we just have to have bigger numbers on the car, because when the car starts, people gotta see it, or the officials gotta see it, and we are like 4 inches short on the numbers.
Hey, no more mountain background? Are y'all gonna green screen me?
AI generated that, man.
That behind or front? We can do both if you guys want.
Alright, that looks good, Jay.
You check that one?
The 17th?
Yeah, you hit that, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit it. Just a sec.
Hit that to another side, yeah?
Alright. I'll grab it. Merci. On va essayer. Oh. You guys, we're gonna go get some lunch right now. We just shook down the car. I know I didn't really record it. We took the wheels off, checked the suspension, checked the aero, and we went through pretty much nut and bolt check all around on the car. Make sure everything is tight and make sure everything is ready for tomorrow.